It's time for some tough love. Hi, I'm Jonathan Bardzik, and today we're going to talk about okra, which means addressing the S word, slime. Let's face it, anyone who says they don't like okra is really talking about the mucilage that oozes out when you cut into the pods. Well, we're going to tackle that problem today, but first, let's go pick some okra. Today I'm harvesting an okra named Candlefire, which I learned about from All America Selections. Who are they? It's a nonprofit that has been trialing and evaluating new seed-grown flowers and vegetables for more than 85 years. It's an African native and related to hibiscus, which you can tell from the beautiful flowers. And it's big and tropical. I think it would look great in a perennial garden and equally good in a large container out by the swimming pool. Today we're talking about cooking it, so let's get back to that slime. There are three solutions that people talk about. Number one is go with the flow. That ooze is going to thicken up as we cook it, so a lot of people will use it in dishes where that's a benefit, like thick stews like gumbo. Solution number two, tart it up. A soak in a vinegar and water solution before cooking it, or a splash of vinegar in the pan right before you finish cooking it, is said to control that slime. And solution number three is roast it. Now, I've eaten okra a lot of different ways. It's delicious pickled and fried, but roasting it was a revelation. It gets crisp like a potato chip. And that's how we're gonna cook it today, so let's head back to the kitchen. First, we're gonna halve the okra. Then we toss it with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. And now here's your chance to have some fun. Sprinkle it with garlic powder or your favorite chili powder. Or take a little bit of inspiration from India, where they call okra bindi, and sprinkle it with some garam masala, which is exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to arrange it on this sheet pan with another All America Selections award winner, this little currant type tomato, Candyland Red. They are super sweet, and the plant's going to be producing so many tomatoes, you're just going to be looking for ways to use them. Here's a pan that's been in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Let's take a taste. Crisp, nutty, it's delicious. For this and other garden fresh, simple seasonal recipes, visit allamericaselections.org. Now, get out there and grow some okra, and let's turn that S word, slime, into supper.